When choosing cremation, most people are surprised at the number of choices that are available. At a time of loss, these decisions may seem overwhelming. How can you be sure you're making the right choices? We offer a simple thought. The right choices are your choices. Let your special memories guide you, and you'll be pleased with your selections. One of the first choices you'll make is the type of service you prefer. Few things help in the healing process more than a meaningful ceremony that commemorates all that made your loved one special. Whether simple or elaborate, spiritual or secular, private or open to the community, your commemoration can be arranged in any manner you choose. Whatever you decide, you'll cherish the memories for a lifetime. Along with selecting the type of service, you will also consider the final resting place for the cremated remains. Cremation provides several choices for the placement of the cremated remains, but it is important to consider the impact of your disposition decision on future generations. Burying an urn in a cemetery remains a popular choice for families. It provides a permanent resting place where families and friends can freely visit. Some families place the urn in a columbarium niche, providing a location where they can pay their respects. While displaying an urn at home is an option, some families express concerns about the long-term custody of the remains and the lack of a public memorial site where family and friends can pay their respects. You may also scatter the cremated remains. However, since scattering cannot be reversed, you may wish to scatter only a portion of the cremated remains and keep the rest for permanent placement. Regardless of the choice for final disposition, you will need to choose at least 2 containers. The first is either a casket or specially designed container used for transportation to the crematory and for the funeral or tribute service. Next, you'll choose a memorial urn. The choices you make for final disposition will guide your urn selection. For a special touch, consider personalizing the urn vault to reflect the personality and interests of your loved one, while protecting the urn and its contents after burial. When choosing an urn for burial or niche interment, you'll find an abundance of styles and materials perfectly suited for display during the tribute service and for meeting cemetery or niche requirements for interment. Home display is also a consideration when scattering. Families often choose an urn based on its style and design, knowing after transporting the remains to the scattering ceremony, they will have a beautiful keepsake to take home. Whether you choose burial, home display, or scattering, you may wish to select small memento urns or memorialization jewelry to share a portion of your loved one's cremated remains with family and friends. Your funeral director is available to help you with your planning. Before you finalize your selections, consider ways you can add personalized touches. One way to create a personalized service is by making the urn vault into a memory capsule during the service at the cemetery prior to burial. Much like a time capsule, a memory capsule urn vault serves as a personalized centerpiece for the graveside ceremony and then is filled with mementos and other special keepsakes along with the urn you select. Keep in mind, there are many other ways to create a highly personalized service. We thank you for your attention and hope this video was helpful during this difficult time.